Hey everyone! Today we're excited to introduce the FireCut Web, an innovative tool designed to revolutionize your video editing process. Whether you're a content creator or video editor, FireCut Web is here to save you a ton of time while helping you create stand-up, high-engagement videos. It's a web-based version of the powerful FireCut platform, tailored for creators who want professional quality edits without needing complex tools like Premiere Pro or FCPX. Let's get started. Here's the FireCut web interface, where you can start creating your projects. As you can see, I've already completed several projects here, but today we're going to start a fresh one. Click on Create a New Project. Simply upload your video clip, up to 20 minutes long or 1 gigabyte in size. I'll go ahead and select my clip now. Once your clip is uploaded, you'll have access to a set of tools designed to speed up your workflow. You can add captions, remove silence, and even find the perfect B-roll, all with just a few clicks. Let's start with captions. FireCut Web offers 3 distinct caption styles. I'm going to select the Ali style for this video. Now, let's remove any unnecessary silence with the Remove Silence tool. You can choose between a loose cut or a tight cut. We'll go with a tight cut for this video. Next up, B-roll. Here, we can choose between low or high-frequency B-rolls, depending on the vibe of the video. Once you click Next, FireCut Web will instantly process your video, removing the silences and adding captions. And just like that, you're in the editor mode with a project that's already 80% done, saving you tons of time. Now, let's take it a step further. FireCut Web makes it super easy to fine-tune your edit. By clicking on the B-roll part, we can change the video properties, like this. To change the B-roll clip, we can simply select B-roll option and find the perfect match for the edit. Let's remove it for now. Now to make it more neat, we can make more silence cuts from Remove Silences option. As you can see, it automatically removed silence and made a smooth flow. We can also eliminate filter words like and with the Remove Filter Words option. It's the little things that make a big difference. With Add Zooms option, we can add zoom effects to your clips for a dynamic, polished look. FireCut Web will automatically, making them more visually engaging without any manual effort. With Add Captions option, we can check our caption or modify it, and also we can change its style with predefined presets. We can also change font style, size, and any other things accordingly. Look at this. We've gone from raw footage to a highly polished, dynamic video in just minutes. FireCut Web is officially launched on January 14th. You can sign up now by clicking the link in the description below. Pricing will be between $19 and $29 per month, depending on the plan you choose, monthly or annual. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool for creators. Sign up now. Scan this QR code to connect with Novela Film Academy. Learn video editing, graphic design, or get professional editing services, and that's it. Let us know what you'd like to see next. Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Subscribe to Novela Film Academy for more such videos.